So what we have here is an application that has been built on top of data that is contained within Fusion. And this is an application from Uptake that performs a number of asset reliability risk calculations. But the point here is this visualization here, which has time series data in it. It has the opportunity for you to add in the alarms from the alarm system and both preventive and corrective maintenance activities on the equipment in a single graph, in this case, from a single underlying system. And this particular presentation is what all sorts of people are trying to do all the time, but because the maintenance data comes from a relational system and the time series data comes from a historian and they're not always easily aligned, this kind of analysis is usually a very frustrating experience. By providing us the opportunity to store all this information in one place, ADX makes it possible for companies like Uptake to produce products like Fusion, which contain it, and then applications like this that allow companies to get value out of that data all in one place.